Why businesses replace Wheelock devices with system sensor devices. Have you ever walked into a store and noticed the fire alarm system looks different? Maybe you remember hearing the loud buzz of Wheelock devices, but now everything seems to be system sensor. So, why do places like Walmart and others make the switch? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about standardization. Big businesses prefer having the same system across multiple locations. It's easier to maintain and makes troubleshooting more efficient. System Sensor, owned by Honeywell, is widely compatible with different fire alarm control panels, making it a go-to choice. Another key reason, reliability and performance. System Sensor's Specialized Advanced series is known for its clear, powerful alerts. Stores need systems that comply with safety regulations and effectively warn people during emergencies. Speaking of regulations, fire tales are always changing. Sometimes older systems don't meet new standards and stores must replace them to stay compliant with safety laws. Cost is another factor. System sensor devices are widely available and often more cost-effective than other brands. When a company upgrades their alarm system, price plays a huge role in the decision-making. And don't forget, Honeywell owns multiple fire alarm brands, including Notifier, Firelight, and System Sensor. If a business already uses Honeywell products, switching to System Sensor can simplify integration. So, the next time you see a new alarm system, you'll know why. Standardization, reliability, compliance, cost, and manufacturer partnerships all play a role in why so many businesses switch to system sensor products.